Hello. Yes, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. This is Supreme Wealth Alliance Ultimate, the business presentation. Meron po kami magandang balita. Okay, we are never here to convince anybody, no? Because our job is just to inform people of what we saw. No? Wala po kaming plano na mangumbinse. Alright? Napakaraming benepisyo na magtatrabaho ka lang sa loob-loob ng bahay mo. Sobrang dami na I cannot enumerate everything, but believe me, it's so worth it just to be able to stay at home and earn very good money because of this program, and just be with your family, no? We see them grow up, no? Every time they need us, we're just there, no? But at the same time, we also provide very good for their needs, no? Okay, so why was it called Perfect Pay Plan? Because of these two powerful approaches na gusto namin ipakita sa inyo. Okay, approach number 1 is we will attain the success to our proven positive life-changing products. No? So, ang produkto po namin ay nakakapagpabago ng buhay. Wow! And we have approach number 2, which is we will be promoting a first-in-the-world system. Meaning, hindi po laos yung ating ipopromote. Hindi po tayo yung huling-huli. We're actually the first to promote a concept like this in the whole wide world. So, buong mundo po. Okay, hindi lang po sa Pilipinas, hindi lang po sa Asia, but all over the world. And we are the first one to promote this kind of a concept na papakita namin sa inyo. Okay, so who's the company behind? Supreme Wealth Alliance is under Supreme Wealth Alliance Corporation. It is a registered IBC or International Business Company under the jurisdiction of Belize, a sovereign nation on Central America. Nandyan po yung ating main office in the 5th floor of Marina Towers, Belize City, Belize. Okay, so ito po Supreme Wealth Alliance, this is very important. We have a mission that we have established, no? This is the Supreme Wealth Alliance mission statement. No? So, para sa akin po, this is actually the most important part of this program. No? Because this is the heart of SWA. Okay, so, lahat po na makikita nyo after this are just mechanics, no? Or technicals. Pero dito po, i-discuss ko sa inyo muna yung pinakamahalaga, which is yung puso. Okay, dapat po kasi maintindihan natin ano ba yung heartbeat ng SWA. Alright, kasi pag naintindihan nyo po itong mission na to, believe me, and we all focus on the mission, maniwala kayo, success will just follow. Alright, and yun po nararanasan namin yan. So, basahin ko po sa inyo, read with me. Supreme Wealth Alliance exists because we want transformation. We want the poor to be rich, the needy to be bountiful, the pessimists to be optimists, the hopeless to be hopeful, the timid to be bold, the receiver to be the giver, the impossible to be possible. SWA exists to see people change for the better. We shall accomplish this through teamwork, through the union of each other's passion and commitment, and most importantly, through the strength and wisdom we get from the Creator and Author of life, who made all good things possible. SWA's core values are teamwork, sincerity, honesty, and selflessness. Through these core values, we will achieve our goals together. Nobody gets left behind. SWA products and services will all be centered in achieving excellence in the aspects of mind, body, and soul development. Wow! Kung naintindihan nyo po yung mission namin, believe me, it can actually change the world. Okay, so, yun na po. Sabi ko sa inyo, this is the very heart of Supreme Wealth Alliance. This is where we are focused. Kung mapapansin nyo po, I never mention about money. Okay, so, yun po ang isa sa kinaibahan ng Supreme Wealth Alliance kung bakit po very successful kami. Because we are focusing on the mission, not on money. Although you can see members, you can see leaders, of course, rejoice and show off how much they're earning. Pero, surface lang po yun. Because, of course, no, magiging plastic tayo para sabihin, hindi tayo masaya na kumikita tayo ng ganong kalaki. Okay, but that's how, yun lang po yung naisisigaw natin because that's something very physical and very obvious. Kitang-kita mo talaga, it's money, it's material. No? But behind that money, behind that material things is this ultimate mission that you want to accomplish. No? Kaya po, so, if you feel like this mission makes sense at nagustuhan mo and you're sinabi ng puso mo ngayon as I talk to you now, okay yun gusto ko rin yan. Then maybe we could proceed to step number 2. Alright? Now let's go to the vision. Where we are going. Sabi nga, without a vision, a nation perish. Okay, so within the next 5 years, this is what we see. Supreme Wealth Alliance will be the largest online membership site globally whose products, services, and unique team culture has direct impact and significance in the uplifting of one's life in the areas of the mind, the body, and the soul. Members will experience ultimate happiness, joy, satisfaction, and significance through the very useful resources and the unique, warm, and family-oriented culture wherein everyone just feels at home, accepted, and valued. Okay, so this is where we are going. Okay, so I'd like to invite everybody who's listening or who's watching this video, please join the program if you want to be a part of history. Alright? Now, let's go to the product. So, Supreme Wealth Alliance product is Supreme Wealth Library. So, ano po ba meron sa library? Ang library po ay pinupuntahan natin para matuto. No? So, ever since when we were young, we know that when we go to a library, there is one thing that we want to do there. No? The major thing is we want to research because we believe ang ating mga hinahanap ay nandun. Okay, so wala pa ho yung panahon ng Google, wala pa yung panahon ng Wikipedia, wala pang internet, yan ang library. No? But now, because of the revolution, and because of the evolution of things, nag-evolve na po ang library ngayon, ay nasa internet na lang. Online, no? So now, we have the Supreme Wealth Library. Ano naman ang matututunan? It will teach us the practical principles, secrets, techniques, and strategies on how to build and maintain wealth. Yun po, so, prinsipyo, sikreto, mga techniques, at strategies. No? Kung paano, no? So, lahat naman po tayo kasi ngayon, kung tatanungin tayo kung gusto mo maging successful sa buhay, lahat naman siguro tayo sasagot ng oo, no? Pero lahat tayo may kasunod na tanong, paano? Di ba? So, there is always a how. Ngayon, ito po ang matatagpuan nyo sa library na yan, na initially, as I speak to you now, initially, there are about 2,100 plus downloadable resources that will teach us on how to be wealthy, how to be successful, and how to enjoy life to the fullest. 2,100 plus. Sa palagay mo ba, konti yon para kung babasahin mo, kung i-internalize mo, kung i-apply mo sa buhay mo, makakatulong sa'yo? Palagay mo, konti yung 2,100. I'm sure, enough na yan. But, nabanggit ko kanina, there is a word na nirelease ko, initially. Why? Initial lang po yan. Dadagdagan pa ho ng dadagdagan yan. Okay? So, hindi lang po siya e-books. It also has videos, audio, scripts, graphics, templates, modules, icons, fonts, etc., etc. Okay? So, yan po ang produkto natin. So, I'll give you some example. Excuse me. We have our wealth e-books. These are books written by ordinary human beings like us who achieve extraordinary results. So, relatable po. Hindi po ito yung mga tipong ipinanganak na ng mayaman. So, sometimes, sabi natin, kaya naman magagaling yan. Pinanganak yan. Mayayaman na yan mga yan. Hindi nakaranas ng hirap yan. Ay, hindi po. Ito pong mga libro na to, isinulat ng mga taong dumaan din sa dinadaanan natin ngayon. No? If you're somebody na na-bankrupt, if you're somebody na lumubog yung negosyo, if you're somebody na pinalaya sa apartment, if you're somebody na baon sa utang, believe me, the writers of these books experienced the same. And they did something so different. They did something so different and so common, no? Kasi hindi lang po isang tao yan. That all led to the same thing, which is financial success, freedom, and they all became wealthy. Okay, so one of my personal favorite, ito pong Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Mga kapatid, pakibasa po yan. Believe me, it has changed my life so much. It turned around my whole life pagdating sa mindsetting, kung paano ba mag-isip ang taong successful. Alright? At napakarami pa ho yan. Sobrang dami. At hindi lang po siya puro books, may mga audios din po yan. Okay, we also have strategic training programs for Facebook, okay, and Twitter, no, yung mga social media sites, paano ba ma-maximize yung marketing. Kasama po yan. So if you're listening to me now, sabi mo, ay naku, wala naman ako alam dyan sa internet, kundi mag-Facebook. Paano ko mag-online business? Congratulations. Dahil most of us, about 99% of our members, operate using Facebook lang. Ang susunod na tanong mo, paano? So these are the answers to your questions. Andito rin po, provided na sa product lines natin. Okay, sobrang daming books about that, no? The strategies, the techniques. Alright? And so many other books about marketing, about sales. Okay, at hindi lang po siya puro books, may mga videos, may mga audios. No? So definitely, you will have fun, you will learn, and you will be very successful if you apply it to your life and make it work. No? So, hindi lang po siya puro pera. Tulad ng sabi ko sa inyo, success is about living life to the fullest. Kabuuan po. Success is not just about having so much money. Believe me, napakaraming tao po, ang daming pera, but they're not successful. I'm sure alam niyo po yan. Yung iba pa nga ho, sa sobrang depression nila because of hindi sila successful despite of their so many money, they end up committing suicide. Doon pa lang ho, makikita nyo na money is not the answer or the solution to our problems. Okay, malalaman nyo po yan as you go along the experience, the Supreme Wealth Alliance experience. Malalaman nyo po na hindi pala pera ang solusyon sa problema ni Juan de la Cruz. Yan, di ba? Exciting, no? Which is na-discover po namin. Alright, so I'm not speaking here na parang hindi ko alam or hindi ko naman naranasan yung sinasabi ko. I am a living testimony of what we have discovered in this program. Okay, so ang produkto po natin is all about knowledge. Okay, knowledge is power. So basically, that is the main product of Supreme Wealth Alliance. We will equip everybody with the necessary tools, okay, the house of how to become successful in this lifetime. Okay, knowledge is power. Yan po ang product natin. Of course, if you become a member, you'll have your own back office, no, wherein you log in as a member, no, may username, may password. Then, it's very easy to download your products. Nandun po yung library access sa yung back office. May mga instructions naman po yan, ano? And for those who's also very keen in selling, no, some of our products have resale rights and private label rights, meaning may mga rights to distribute po yan. So yung mga iba ho na gusto magbenta, no, patingi-tingi, out of the 2,100 books, meron po mga resale rights yung karamihan doon. Alright? So i-check lang po natin when we download. Kasama naman po yung distribution rights pag dinownload, no? Alright, so how much is the investment, no? How much is the investment? Ayan na po, naka-flash yan sa screen nyo. If I can show you a way that will change your life because of the information na ilalagay natin sa ating isipan, the house, no, the knowledge, it will change your life. The way you think, the way you move, your character, your attitude, the way you look at things. And for only $55 one time, or sa Pilipinas pa, in peso, 2,500 pesos. Is that too much to us? Will you be interested to check it out? Sa halagang 2,500, it will change your life. Believe me, sobrang dami na po namin nag-i-enjoy because of this 2,500. Ikaw, kaibigan, ilang beses ka na gumastos ng halagang 2,500 pataas? Did it change your life? May nagbago ba? Alright, so I cannot help but to compare it, mga cellphones. Okay, dalhin mo yung 2.5 mo sa bilihan ng cellphone. Makakabili ba yan ng maganda? Yung may mga touchscreen, no? Android, na mabilis ang processor, maganda camera, mataas ang memory. 2.5 makakabili? Definitely not. Okay, kahit yung mga rubber shoes nga lang po, pumunta ka sa Nike store, dalhin mo yung 2.5 mo. Wala kang mabibiling may air, no? Canvas lang yun. Alright, so gusto ko lang makita nyo how valuable itong ipapresent namin. It's a library of information. An access to a library na one time mo lang babayaran pero habang buhay dinadagdagan. Wow! Habang buhay po, meaning every so often, dadagdagan yan ng dadagdagan ng Supreme Wealth Alliance na hindi mo na nga kayang, hindi na nga na-scroll lahat eh. Alright, anyway, doon naman po sa downloader natin, may mga search, kumbaga may mga search procedures po doon, which is nagpapadali sa paghahanap, no? Okay, so one time 55 is the only investment. Then you can have access to that library na kung saan lahat ng kailangan mo. And there's a bonus, pati kailangan ng asawa mo, pati kailangan ng pamangkin mo, kailangan ng kapatid mo, kailangan ng anak mo, it's there. Grabe po, if you only see the resources, the books, the videos, hanggang mga bata, pwede mo i-share sa kanila. Grabe, it's a library of knowledge. Wow. For only 2,500 pesos, one-time, lifetime investment. Okay, so we guarantee you 100%. So this is the guarantee. If you purchase our library, we guarantee you that you will be financially successful and you will be successful in life if you read the library, no, the contents of the library, understand it and apply it to your life. Of course, meron pong if. No? Well, please, huwag niyo po kaming tanungin na pagka ba bumili akong library niya, magiging successful ako. Of course, yes, we guarantee you. Pero may if yan. Opo naman. If you read it. Alright, so all you have to do is read it, understand it, and apply it to your life. So, pag in-apply po natin, yes, you will be 100% successful. Pero kung nag-purchase kayo ng library, hindi nyo binasa, hindi nabasa nga, hindi naman inintindi, hindi in-apply, wala po tayong magagawa dyan. It's the same thing as going to school. You're not guaranteed to be successful kahit nakatapos ka ng elementary, high school, college. No? Kahit pa sa pinakamagandang kolehiyo yan, kung hindi mo naman pag-aralang maigi, no? At kung hindi mo ipasa yung mga examinations, hindi mo i-apply sa buhay, baliwala. Okay, so in this part 2, we will talk about the bonus part. Okay, so kaya po ito very exciting kasi ito po yung bonus. And part 2 is actually a free program being provided by Supreme Wealth Alliance to its members. Ulitin ko po yung salita, it's free, libre po ito. Hindi nyo po ito binayaran, wala pong bayad, kusang loob na ibibigay po ng Supreme Wealth Alliance sa mga miyembro. Itong approach number 2 natin. Ano? At ang approach number 2 po, if we combine it with approach number 1, yung ating life-changing experience, believe me, the results will be phenomenal. No? As an explosive, phenomenal, unbelievable. Alright? So, ang approach number 2 po ay walang kinaibahan ito doon sa ginagawa ng karamihang mga negosyo or mga business, yung tinatawag nating member gets member program. Okay, kung ihahalin tulad ko po ito sa isang gym where I used to work before, if you bring in a friend to that gym and your friend joins the club or the gym, ganun din po ito. If you refer your friends to purchase the Supreme Wealth Library, no? And automatically kasi if you purchase a library, you become a member. Okay, so if they purchase a library and becomes a member, you get compensated as well. You will be given a bonus. Alright, so ito na po yung kumbaga the exciting part. We're talking of bonuses. Okay, so hindi na po natin patagalin. I'll show you how this approach number 2 works. So, approach number 2 is very simple. When you purchase the library, you will be entered into our marketing system and you will be given your own website. Okay, so kung ang problema mo, nako, online business, website, wala akong alam dyan. Hindi naman ako marunong mag-create ng ganyan. No problem po. Kasama na po yun sa inyong membership. Okay, purchase the library, you will be given your own website. If you want to participate in this member gets member program. Okay, so ang trabaho po natin is just to consistently share our website to as many people as possible. Yun lang po. Okay, katulad ng sinabi ko po sa part 1, kung narinig nyo, hindi po natin trabaho mangumbinsi. Alright? Ang trabaho po natin ay mag-share ng ating link, mag-share ng ating website. Okay, so gaano ba kahirap yung mag-share ng website? Copy-paste lang po yan, or Control-C, Control-V. No? Ganun lang po. I-type nyo na lang kung hindi nyo alam yung sinasabi kong copy-paste or Control-C, Control-V. I-type nyo lang yung website nyo, napakadali naman pong i-memorize ng website. To as many people as possible. No? So, importante lang po, marami. Okay? Huwag po tayo mag-settle sa 2, 3, o 10. Alright? As many as possible. Ngayon, ang kagandahan po, congratulations, we have Facebook to do this sharing business, no? So, baka masaturate yung Facebook, ay napaka-imposible yun. Because Facebook now has almost 1 billion members. 1 billion. Alright, so ang tanong, can you share to as many as 1 billion members? Palagay ka, hindi mo kakayanin sa buong lifetime. Alright, meaning habang buhay mo itong gagawin. And as you do this, as you consistently share to as many people as possible, believe me, you will be surprised that you will be rewarded accordingly. Okay, hindi po kayo yung mangungumbinsi. Let the website convince itself. No? Let the website convince them, not you. No? So, gone are the days na para makakumbinsi ka, you have to do the presentation, you have to meet them in a mall, you have to treat them in a coffee shop, no? Tapos na po yun. Ito po, you just share the link, share the site. If they like what they see, if they like what they have heard, then proceed to step number 2. Pagka hindi naman po sila na-interested, hindi sila walang dating sa kanila, then that's no problem. You remain friends because this is not for everybody. Believe me, this is not for everybody. But our goal is to get a big chunk of the population of the world. No? Sa 10% na lang po ng internet users, 2.2 billion po ang gumagamit. Isipin nyo po yung 10% nun. That's more than 200 million members sa 10%. Wow! Alright, but pwede ba? Posible ba? Of course! Nagawa nga po ng Facebook eh. 1 billion members na po sila eh. Wala naman pong kumikita doon. Okay, Facebook lang ako kumikita sa mga advertisements, sa mga games. Pero yung mga members, they're all having fun. No? That's no problem. We want to have fun. No? Pero dito po sa SWA, hindi lang po basta fun. We will give money. Okay, we will give financial freedom. So, paano hindi pwedeng mangyari? Alright? So, yan po. So, this is approach number 2. So, how does it work? Simpleng-simple lang po. Kaya po siya tinawag na perfect pay plan system because it is the first time that 2 of the best and most popular compensation plans on the internet was combined. First time po yan. Hindi pa ho nangyari yan sa history na itong internet network marketing. Alright, first time po yan na itong dynamic follow matrix, which is kilala sa fastest earning potential, i-combine sa 3-up system. Nakilala naman po sa largest infinity potential. Both programs already produced multi-millionaires on their own. On their own po, nakaproduce siya ng mga financially successful members. Ano kaya mangyayari kung pagsamahin natin? Yun ang kinaibahan. At yun po ang dadalhin natin sa buong mundo. Yun po ang nagpaiba sa ating programa. Okay? We actually get the best of both worlds. Okay, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, both of each pay plans, nakaproduce na po yan ng mga millionaires. So, what can you expect pag pinagsama? Super explosive income. Nangyayari ba? Okay, ang tanong nyo naman po ngayon, alright, the truth is, it's already happening. 2 months as an official company, we have members, and hindi lang members, earning from 50, 60, 70 up to 100,000 a month consistently for the last 10 months. Okay na po ba yun? Is it chamba? No? Sometimes, isipin ko nga parang, uy, okay ito parang, naku, baka paano next month? Alam mo kung ang income mo, up, down, up, down, up, down, medyo mag-isip-isip ka kung tama yung ginagawa. Believe me guys, we have seen, alam namin because nakikita ko po yung payout sa mga top earners natin. Consistent po yun, and that's month after month after month after month after month. For 10 months consistently, that's about 100,000 a month yung mga top earners natin. Wow! At paano po nila ginagawa? Are they going out, spending money through travels, BOM dito, BOM doon, representation dito, representation doon, gastos dito, gastos doon? Hindi po. Nakaupo sa harap na internet, nagfe-Facebook. Wow! Alright, and this is what really made it so exciting. Bakit ba natawag na perfect pay plan? So how sure are we naman, di ba? Parang ang yabang naman po nun. Perfecto. So kung pag-aaralan po natin yung dalawang pay plan, nangyari po talaga yan because dun sa pag-aaral at pagsisiyasat ng ating founder, nakahanap siya ng dalawang pay plan sa pag pinagsama mo, it compensates each other. Okay, yung major strength po ng 2x2 matrix neutralize the weakness of the infinity pass-up. And the major strength of the infinity pass-up directly neutralize the weakness of the 2x2 matrix. Meaning, both weaknesses were erased. So, if you have a pay plan na dalawa ang strength, walang weakness, ano pong tawag? We call that perfect. Alright, so kahit po pag-isipan nyo pa, kahit balikan natin yung time and memorial and read I am reading actually the most famous and the most effective book in the whole wide world, which is the Bible. Pag-aralan nyo po yun, makakakita kayo doon ng dalawa. Pag pinagsama, nagiging perfect. And actually, that is the main essence of marriage. Okay, a man and a woman, magkaiba ng karakter, magkaiba ng personality. Ginawa ng Diyos, pinagsama para maging perfecto. That's actually the whole essence of marriage. Kaya wag po tayo magtataka bakit ganun? Ang ibinigay sa akin yung hindi kabaligtaran ko, no? Okay, sometimes we look for something na palaging hindi mo nakikita sa partner mo dahil ganun talaga yun. You will be given a partner that is exactly opposite you. At ganun po yung ating pay plan system na discovery na pag pinagsama ang kanilang strength neutralizes each other's weaknesses. So naging perfect. Okay? Okay, now let's go to the mechanics. Tulad ng sabi ko po sa inyo sa part 1, these are just mechanics, no? Pinaka-importante, alam natin bakit po natin ginagawa ito, no? The mechanics or the structures, it just follows if you understand why you're doing Supreme Wealth Alliance, no? So, what I'm telling everybody is focus on the mission and the commission will follow. Ganun lang po yun. Let's just focus on the mission. Okay, so if you purchase a library, automatically you become a member. And if you become a member, you will be put into structures, no? We call it the pay plan number 1 and pay plan number 2. Sabay po yun, simultaneously. Okay, so it's like joining two companies at the same time. 2 in 1, no? Isang beses ka lang nag-sign up, isang beses ka lang nagbayad, pinasok ka sa dalawang networking companies. Parang ganun po. Pero sa atin, of course, rolled into one yan. Now, I'll show you how this 2x2 dynamic follow matrix work, no? Simple lang po yan. All you have to do is to fill in the 6 slots under you ng mga members. Pang 7 ka, so nakalagay po dito 7 persons in one structure. It looks like a pyramid. Huwag po kayo mag-alala, no? Baka sabihin, ay, pyramiding yan. Please, pag-aralan nyo muna ibig sabihin ng pyramiding before you even judge that this is a pyramiding scam, no? Okay, so kailangan lang mapuno yung 6 sa ilalim mo. So, paano po mangyayari yan? Okay, I'll show you scenario 1. Once you join, okay, kung color blue, then immediately naglalagyan ka ng spillover. Ano ba yung spillover? Spillover is a member na na-sponsoran nung nasa taas mo, ng sponsor mo. At since dalawa lang yung pwede sa harap niya, kaya nga po yung tinawag na 2x2, meaning dalawa lang ang pwedeng directly under us. So, yung pangatlo niya, may ihuhulog dun sa nasa harap niya, indirectly on his first level. So, in this example, yung pangatlo niya, pumunta sa'yo, and we call it forced matrix, meaning hindi pwedeng mamili. Okay, it is the system who automatically puts in kung saan pupunta yung bagong member, no? So, walang kakilala, kaibigan, kabarkada. So, dito po, fair na fair. Kahit hindi mo kilala yung sponsor mo, meron siyang bago, mailalim sa'yo, no? Alright? So, ang tawag po dyan, spill over from your referral. Okay, since yung color green na yan is also very active, no? Nagustuhan niya yung concept, i-share niya sa Facebook yung kanyang link, immediately pumasok yung dalawang mga office mates niya. Example, no? Ang tawag naman po dyan, downlines of the spilled member. So, ang tanong, kilala mo po ba itong mga to? Ang sagot, hindi. No? Galing nga sa taas yan eh. Nakipag-meet ba kayo sa Jollibee or sa Starbucks para nag-pitch in ka pa para makabili ng kape? Wala po. Hindi mo kilala yan. Mga tao yan na nakita yung ads or nakita yung link sa Facebook, then they explored, then they purchased the library, and they became members. No? Ganun lang po yun. Since they're all inside your organization, inside your matrix, credited po sila sa'yo. Then finally, you were able to convince your best friend, pangalanan nating best friend, yung color orange. Okay, paano mo siya kinonvince? Nag-meet kayo? Nag-present kayo? Hindi. I-share mo yung link, nabasa niya yung link, i-share mo tong video na to, napanood niya yung video, na-convince siya ng website or ng video. Then, she decided to purchase the library and become a member. Ikaw ba nag-convince? Hindi. Alright? It is the system, it is the site, it is the video. Okay? So, ito palang best friend mo ay isang batikang network marketer. Okay? So, immediately, pinasok yung mga leaders niya, dalawa kagad. So, ang nangyari po, napuno yung 6 sa ilalim mo. Okay, so ang tanong, ikaw ba ang nag-effort yan? Ikaw ba yung nakapag-usap dyan? Nag-share ng link na nag-share ng link, nag-chat, nag-email, etc.? Hindi po. Isa nga lang dyan yung iyong pinadala ng link out of the 6. So, yan ang tinatawag na spillover system, no? Which is very, very rampant at very, very active. No? So, that's what one thing you can expect. But we do not promise. No? Pwede pong hindi mangyari. Okay, dahil dynamic po kasi yung ating matrix system. So, minsan, isa lang ang malalagay sa'yo. Tapos, hindi pa nagtrabaho. Okay, may mga ganong pong scenario. But again, we take control of our success. No? Yung nga po yung tinuturo natin sa approach number 1, how to attract success into your life. So, do not worry. Kung inisip mo, ay, naku, hindi ako marunong yan. Ay, mahina ako sa ganyan. Huwag kang maglala. All you have to do is to establish the why. Bakit mo ba gustong gawin to? And the house will follow. Mangyayari na po yan. Okay? So, once na puno mo yung matrix, the company will give you $70 as a bonus. Ang tawag po dyan, nag-cycle ka. Wow! So, remember, you shelled out $55 or $25. Binigyan ka ng $70 or that's about 3,000 pesos. Ibig sabihin, ibinalik yung pinambayad mo sa library na gagamitin mo habang buhay, may sukli ka pa. Okay? Meron ka pang pamerienda na about 150. I'm sorry, $15. No, sorry po. $15 kasi 55 $70 yung nilabas mo. Okay? Then, after po natin magkaroon ng bagong maka-cycle, bibigyan naman po tayo ng panibagong matrix. Okay, wala na naman po laman yan. Okay, pero teka lang, baka nakikita nyo itong or $90. Sino sa inyo ang gusto ang $90 ang ma-receive na bonus instead of 70? Siyempre, lahat tayo. Ganito lang po yan. Para ka makakwalify sa 90, sipagan mo lang. Sipagan mo lang initially. Initially lang po ang word ko dito. Dahil hindi po ito habang buhay, no? Na kailangang paghirapan mo. Kaya nga po siya tinawag na leveraging. You leverage on other people's effort, other people's time, other people's talent, and other people's money. Leveraging po yan. So, pag nakapito ka na direct referrals, automatically the company will reward you with a $90 cycle income permanently. Alright? Permanently po yan. And accumulated po yun. Wala pong deadline yun kung kailan mo magatapos yung 7. Kung kailan mo kaya magawa, basta nakapito ka na, ipopromote niya yung bonus mo from $70, magiging $90. Permanently, hindi na yan dapat, wala yung kondisyon na dapat every month may dalawa ka, o dapat every month meron kang isa at least, or maaalis sa'yo yung pribilehiyo. Wala pong ganon. Once you become a $90 earning member, because nakapagdala ka ng 7 directs, permanently $90 ka na po palagi. Alright, so ngayon tinitingnan natin itong second matrix, walang laman. So probably kinakabahan ka na. Sabi ako, so ibig sabihin magre-recruit na naman ako. Okay, that word, no? Or mag-sponsor na naman ako, mahina nga ako dyan. So again, the good news is we will teach you the product. The approach number 1 will teach you. And this is another good news. Remember that word follow matrix, no? The follow me matrix. Kaya po tinawag yung follow me kasi ganito po. Di ba nagkaroon ka na ng second matrix? Na example na to, second mo na to. Blanco yan, ha? Yung iyong best friend na magaling, nag-cycle din on the first, yung kanya sa first account. So, anong nangyari? Nagkaroon din siya ng bagong matrix. Ang tanong, saan mapupunta yung bagong matrix? Ito ang sagot. Hahabol siya sa'yo kung nasan ka man, kaya sa tinawag na follow me, at dudugtong na naman siya sa'yo. Okay? So, dito po, hindi mo na siya pinadala ng link, hindi mo na siya chinachat, because member na siya. Alright? Hindi mo na siya kinukumbinsi, dahil hindi naman natin trabaho mangumbinsi, hindi mo na siya pina-follow up. Member na siya, happy siya. As a matter of fact, kumita siya, nag-cycle siya. Nagkaroon siya ng second matrix na ilagay ulit under mo. Okay? So, since magaling siya, sa aking example, isa nga siyang kilalang magaling na networker, naghanap ulit siya ng 6, magtulungan sila ng team niya, nakabuo na naman siya, nag-cycle siya. Ang nangyari tuloy, nagkaroon na naman siya ng panibagong matrix. Sana naman pupunta yon? Is dalawa pa lang ang matrix mo, nakatatlo na siya. So, malalampasan ka niya? Hindi po, papasok pa rin sa iyo. Kung saan ka bakante sa matrix mo, susuot na naman siya doon. Sa example na to, makita nyo, ayan na naman siya. Alright, so ano mangyayari dyan? So, yan, pag naghanap na naman siya ng at least dalawa muna, makikita mo, pag nakadalawa siya dyan, napuno na naman yung 6 sa ilalim mo. Ibig sabihin, matrix bonus ka na naman, nag-cycle ka na naman. May panibago ka na namang matrix. At pag nakakompleto na naman siya dito sa ilalim niya, nag-cycle na naman siya, hahabol na naman siya sa'yo. The same scenario, eksakto, parehas na parehas. Paulit, ulit lang. Kung isa lang, yung iyong na direct referral na magaling. Wow! Mga kapatid, isa lang. Alam nyo ba na pioneering tayo? Alam nyo ba na napakaraming magaling na network marketer sa Pilipinas na ngayon ay nagsasawa na, ngayon napapaso na, ngayon humihinto na. Bakit? Nakikita nila hindi na effective eh. Sa sobrang dami ng competition sa products, sa sobrang hirap mag-alok ng mga produkto na pagkamahal-mahal, okay? At kung ano-ano na lang mga magic ang ginagawa, ayaw na nila. Pero pag napakita natin sa kanila itong the evolved version, or the new face of network marketing, believe me, all of them will join us. And we have seen great leaders of network marketing who already joined us. And believe me, they're already enjoying the fruits of their labor in a few months' time. Okay? Saan po nila yun ginagawa? Sa bahay habang nagfi-Facebook. Easy. Huh? Wow. This is already favor after favor after favor. Believe me, dito po sa programa na to, magiging grateful po tayo. Dahil maniwala kayo, lalampas sa inaasahan nyo yung financial blessings na makukuha nyo. So, matututo tayong magpasalamat, matututo tayong mag-share, magbigay, at tumulong. Okay, so, if you only get at least a few, okay, 1 or 2 or 3 or 10, believe me, yung 10 na magagaling, if they continuously working, magagaling sa'yo, ha? So, don't you worry, sabi mo, hindi naman ako magaling sa ganito. Don't worry, hindi naman kailangan ikaw magaling. All you have to do is to look for people na mas magaling sa'yo. And hindi nga rin ikaw mangungumbinsi. All you have to do is to share your link and let them be convinced by the website, by the videos, by the webinars. Once they're convinced, they sign up under you and they start working, yun na. History na. Day after day after day, magugulat ka na lang, you have $70, $90, $90, $90. You just get at least a few people and tell them to do the same. Yun lang po. Usapan lang dito, copy, paste. Do the same. Okay, kumuha ko ng dalawa, kumuha ka rin ng dalawa. And tell those two to get two. And tell everybody else down the line to get two. Believe me, wala pong katapusan ang income nyo rito. Alright, wow. Now, let's go to paper number 2, the Infinity Tree of Pasa. Ito po yung exciting part. This is the golden rule na tinatawag namin na do unto others what you want others to do unto you, pay plan. Okay? Maganda po yan. So, this is exactly separate from the first pay plan. Ano? So, wag po kayo malilito, wag niyong pagsamahin. Iba po ang terminologies dito, iba po ang kilos nitong structure na to. Ha? So, wag niyo pong isipin muna yung pay plan number 1 as I present this to you. Hindi po sila konektado sa isa't isa. Alright. On your very first referred member, may $20 ka. Wow. So, very first pa lang ho yan. Ngayon, kung ma-recall nyo po doon sa pay plan number 1, nabanggit ko, you need to have 6 for you to cycle and earn $70. So, kailangan umanim ka muna for you to start harvesting fruits. Dito po, hindi. Isa pa lang, meron na. Okay? So, nakita nyo na yung complementation niya, no? Doon, kailangan maka-anim bago kumita. Dito, isa pa lang, meron ka ng $20. So, compensated ka kagad. Okay? $20 on your very first. Yung second mo, yan, dito na po papasok yung passed up. Meaning, paakyat yan sa taas. Ibibigay mo yan sa sponsor mo. Once na binigay mo ang sponsor mo ang kikita ng $20, at ang tao na yan, ang magiging direct referrer niya, hindi na ikaw yung sponsor mo. So, sa madaling salita, naghanap ka ng tao para sa kanya. Ibinigay mo. Okay? At ulitin ko, huwag kayo mag-alala, hindi nangyayari yan sa pay plan number 1. Baka iniisip nyo, paano yan? Kung pinamimigay ko pataas, paano ko mapupuno yung matrix ko? Yung 6. Hindi ho konektado, katulad ng sinabi ko, ano? Just a reminder, marami pong nalito doon. Hindi po konektado. Iba ho ang takbo nun. Alright? So, ito po yung sinabi ko nga. Do unto others what you want others to do unto you. Nagbigay ka. Okay? Nagsakripisyo ka, believe me. People will do that to you as well. Alright, your third referral, ibinigay mo ulit pataas. Okay, medyo mabigat na siguro yung dibdib mo nito. But again, sinabi nga po, God loves a cheerful giver. So please, cheer up. Be happy. Isipin mo lang, nakakatulong ka doon sa sponsor mo. Kung di naman din dahil sa kanya, hindi mo naman nalaman tong swag. Okay, so pasahin muna natin sila. Dahil pag sumaya naman yung sponsor mo, believe me, alagaan ka niyan. Okay? So, give and take talaga nangyayari. Your fourth referral stays with you. Your fifth and sixth sa'yo pa rin po. Yung seventh, bigay mo na naman sa kanya. Alright? Kung makikita nyo sa hatian, pag nakakuha tayo ng 7 tao, this is on the assumption that everybody's getting 7. Yung 4 sa'yo, yung 3 sa sponsor mo. Okay? Hindi, not bad na hatian. Labang ka pa rin. Pagdating ng pang-8 onwards, wala na pong pass-up. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, lahat sa'yo na. $20 sa'yo, yung tao hindi na mawawala. And this is where the exciting thing happens. No? Remember yung 4 na naiwan sa'yo. No? Yung 3, pinasa mo. Yung 4, naiwan sa'yo. They will also do the same to you. Kung ano yung ginawa mo sa sponsor mo. Kasi ikaw yung sponsor nila, di ba? Pag kumuha sila ng 7, yung 2nd, 3rd, and 7th nila, ibibigay sa'yo. So, 4 yan. 2nd, 3rd, and 7 is 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay, so nagpakawala ka ng 3, ibinalik sa'yo 12. So, isipin mo yun. Ito na po yung sinasabi natin kung ano yung pinamigay mo, ibabalik sa'yo more than 100 folds. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw. Alright, so $20 times 12 is 240. That's about 10,000 pesos. Wow. Effort mo ba? Ikaw ba nag-present? Hindi. Nag-meet kayo sa Jollibee, McDo, Chowking. Ikaw nag-gumastos? Hindi. Pinamasahihan mo yung downline mo kasi walang pamasahe. Ikaw muna sumagot ng pan-taxi, etc. Hindi. Nasaan kayo? Sa bahay. Tapos, anong ginanti nila? Binigyan ka ng 10,000 pesos at 12 na bagong downlines. Woo! Grabe. Thank you, Lord. Yung po yung sisigaw nyo, believe me, araw-araw ang mga members po namin, mula sa pagising at sa pagtulog, pare-parehas po kami. Praise you, Lord. Salamat po, Panginoon. Yun lang po nababanggit namin. We are just in awe of the overflowing blessings. Since we have the blessings now, it is very, very easy for us to bless others. No? Kaya sabi nga, you cannot give something that you do not have. So how can you bless people kung wala ka talaga? Okay, so iba na po ito. We have broken the chains. Now, get ready for the blessings to flow and overflow sa mga buhay po natin. Alright, yung 12 na tao na yan will also do the same to you. Yung kanilang 237, hindi nila ibabalik dito sa mga original na kumuha sa kanila kasi ipinasa na sila sa iyo. Ikaw na yung bagong nila, sponsor. Okay, so yung 12 na to, yung 237, sa'yo pa rin ibibigay. So that's 12 times 3. That's 36 people at $20. That's 720 US or about 30,000 pesos. Kapatid, ngayon magpapasko, no? I don't know kung kailan mo mapapanood tong video na to, pero as I do this, it's almost Christmas. It's October. Okay, how will it help you if by October you get a pass-up commission of 30,000 pagdating ng Pasko? Will that help? Will it change the scenario of your celebration? Will it change na makabili ka ng extras dahil may mga gusto kang regaluhan, no? May mga gusto mong ma-share sa mga tao, especially the unfortunate people? Will that 30,000 pesos help? At anong ginawa mo to get that? Ikaw ba'y nakipag-meet sa kanila? Ikaw ba'y nag-present? Ikaw ba'y nagpamerienda? Hindi It's the effort of these 12 and they gave you their 36. Woo! And before you forget po mga kapatid, habang pumapasok yung mga tao yan, sa structure number 1, nagsacycle na kayo, nagsacycle. Iba pa ho yun, ha? So you keep on earning $90, $90, $90, 70 or 90, no? Then dito ho, may kukolektahin ka pang 720. Woo! Tapos na po? Hindi pa. Because these 36 people will also do the same to you. Exactly the same what you did before. Yung 36 will pass at 3 each. That's 108. $20 each. 2,160. That's about 90,000 pesos. 90,000 pesos giveaway. Bonus. A gift of Supreme Wealth Alliance because you helped us initially in promoting this program. Ulitin ko po, ito pong part 2, this approach number 2 is a gift of the company to us members. Okay, wala po tayong binayaran dito, ha. Just the same, in example ko kanina, if this is a gym, you enrolled in a gym, okay, you paid for that enrollment because you want to use their facilities to lose weight or to build muscles, yun ang binayaran mo. Pero hindi mo binayaran yun pag nagdala ka ng member, bibigyan ka na ng 1 month free. Walang bayad yun. It's the company's effort to compensate us, to give us a bonus because we are helping them promote their gym. In this case, in SWA, we are helping SWA to promote the program. Alright, ito po bang 108 people? Will this stop? Hindi po. They will also give you 3 each. So that's 324 people times $20 each. I forgot the exact figure, pero that's about 300,000 pesos gift to you. Will that help? Will it change your life? Mas madali na kayang tumulong? Marami na ba tayong matutulungan with an income of 300,000 pesos for that month? Wala pa yung income sa pay plan number 1. I hope you're seeing the big picture now. Ang mga sikmura nagkakalaman, ang refrigerator na dating tubig lang po ang laman, puno ngayon. People are already experiencing joy and happiness and fulfillment. Tulad po ng sinabi namin sa mission statement, it's already happening as early as now. So I don't know about you, na nakikinig ka ngayon, kung naiintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko. Alright? You're actually in front of a perfect timing for the perfect opportunity. Okay, so millions upon millions of people are waiting for something like this. Isipin nyo na lang po, out of the 28 million Filipinos na miyembro ng Facebook who logs in every day, ilan po doon ang naghahanap ng extra income? Hulaan nyo, sagutin nyo po sa sarili nyo. Kung may 28 million na miyembro ang Facebook na Pinoy, ilan sa 28 million Pinoy sa naghahanap ng extra income? Alright, kung hindi naman po pera-pera lang, ilan sa 28 million Pinoys ang gustong magkaroon ng pagbabago sa buhay dahil hindi nila alam kung paano. And it will be solved by approach number 1. Our books, our lectures, our lessons, the total experience. At ilan po sa lahat na yun ang kaya maka-afford ng 2.5? Isipin nyo lang po, out of the 28 million Filipinos na Facebook, ilan doon ang may cellphone? Palagay nyo lang. I would like to assume that all of those who know how to do Facebook has cellphones. Alright? Ngayon, alis tayo sa Pilipinas. Out of the 2.2 billion internet users, ilan doon ang naghahanap ng pagbabago sa buhay? At ilan ang kaya maka-afford ng $55, which is a value na pareha sa pambili ng presyo ng isang branded na pantalon sa US. Alright? Mga kapatid, I'd like you to take action. If you're really serious about changing your life and being successful, please, prove it to yourself. Hindi po sa amin. You face the mirror after this presentation. Titigan mo yung sarili mo. Sabi mo, gusto mo pa bang maging mahirap? Ate, gusto mo pa ba nun? Tanongin mo yung sarili mo. Pag umiling yung ulo mo na kahit hindi mo kinokontrol, please, consider this program, consider this opportunity. Naranasan na po namin. Galing kami sa pinagdaanan ng bawat isa. At dito po namin nakita yung sagot. Okay? Ginamit po itong programa na to para bigyan pag-asa ang maraming tao na maniniwala. Alright? So, now, please, you just have to say yes to success. Yan lang po ang bitawan nyo. As we end this presentation, sabihin mo lang, yes to success. Sa maniwala ka sa hindi, depende sa conviction mo ng pagsabi ng salitang yes to success. Yan din ang pupuntahan ng destiny mo if you will succeed in this program.